Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an in-checkout offer in Bold Upsell. In-checkout offers allow you to display an offer in the Shopify checkout before your customer completes their order. These offers can be positioned using a drag and drop method in the checkout customization page, allowing you to position the offer in the best suited location in the checkout page. In-checkout offers are only available for Shopify Plus stores and requires a Shopify Online Store 2.0 theme. Now that we know more about in-checkout offers, let's create our first in-checkout offer. The first part of setting up in-checkout offers is adding the app block in the checkout customization page within the Shopify admin. From within your Shopify admin, click Settings, then Checkout. In the checkout customization section, click Customize. On the customization page in the bottom left corner, click Add App. Next, select in-checkout offer. After this has been selected, the location of the offer can be changed by dragging and dropping the app block to the position you would like it to be displayed. Additionally, you also have the option to change the offer title, offer description, and quantity selector. Making changes to these options overrides the titles and description set within each in-checkout offer in Bold Upsell. You can also adjust the button colors of the in-checkout widget under the Settings tab. Click Save to confirm your changes. The next step is creating an in-checkout offer within Bold Upsell. From the Upsell admin, navigate to Manual Offers and click Create New Offer. Under Basic Information, enter a name for your offer. This is an internal name to help you identify this offer between others in Bold Upsell. Next, under Upsell Offer Flow, click Set a Trigger. Click the Trigger Event dropdown and select In-Checkout Widget. Under Trigger Products, I'm going to select Trigger an Upsell on every product, which sets every product as a trigger on the storefront. If you select Trigger an Upsell on specific products, use the product selector to choose the products you would like to set as trigger products. Once you have chosen your trigger product type, click Set an Offer under Upsell Offer and enter a title and description you would like to display for your in-checkout offer. After you enter a title and description, click Select Products and choose the products you would like to offer in the in-checkout offer. For ease of viewing in the checkout, we recommend choosing up to 3 offered products. Next, under Offer Options, enable the optional settings that you would like to apply to the offer. Adjust the settings under Conditions and Additional Options as needed. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. Once the in-checkout offer has been activated, you can go to the storefront by navigating to a trigger product or select a trigger product using the magnify glass on the Manage Offers page, then selecting a trigger product title. This will bring you directly to the product page where you can add the trigger product into the cart and proceed into the checkout. As shown in my example, the in-checkout offer is appearing on the right side of the page under the Order Summary section. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold Upsell, please visit our help center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.